In this video, I will show you the simple process of buying from many store or different supplier on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app and import from China without any stress. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688 Taoba or Pinduoduo or Fish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification bell for more importation business tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome our friends. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to source one item and how to ship from China to whatever country of your choice using Pinduoduo shopping app. So let's begin. The first thing you want to do is to make sure you open up your Pinduoduo shopping app. I'm going to click on here to open my Pinduoduo shopping app. After you open up your Pinduoduo shopping app, the next thing to do is to make sure you source for an item. There are two ways to source for an item. One of the first way is to make sure you use your search engine right here. What you need to do is to type the keyword of the item you are looking for. You are going to see a variety result. The second way to search for an item is to make use of this camera icon, which stands for image search. What you need to do in this category is to upload a picture of the item and you're going to see a similar result. After you have successfully had the item source for an item, next thing you want to do is to make sure you add the item to cart. If you don't know how to add an item to cart, consider to check the video out on my channel. I have made step-by-step video on how you can add item to cart. After you have successfully add an item to cart, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on here to visit your profile. Then on getting to your profile, next thing you want to do is to click on here to fill your cart. So on getting to your cart, the item you had in your cart is going to be found right here. So next thing I'm going to do is to buy this. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to select this. So I'm buying these two items from different store on Pinduoduo shopping. And next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to proceed to checkout. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. And I click on here to confirm my payment. Then enter my payment password. So you can see payment done successful right here. So next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on done right here. And then to click on here to close the pop-up. And I go to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, the two items we just purchased is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So you can see the two items right here. So this is how to buy from Pinduoduo shopping app from different store, different size and different color as far as Pinduoduo shopping app is concerned, and import from China. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taoba or Pinduoduo or Fish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.